Alrighty everybody, it is time to start part 2 of this 2-part series where I'm going to be setting up chatbots for affiliate marketing. So in the last video we picked a product that we're going to promote, and then we started setting up our Facebook ads. We got as far as actually creating the ad. We also created the page that we're going to be advertising off of, but we stopped at the website URL. So in this video we're going to be creating the landing page where the opt-in for the chatbot will be sitting, and then we will go into ManyChat, which is the chatbot service that I'm going to use to set up the automation and the flows for this campaign. So without further ado, let's start creating the landing page that we will send people to after they click on our Facebook ad. Okay, so I'm in ClickFunnels right now. I'm in my ClickFunnels dashboard. This is the software that I'm going to be using to create my landing pages. It's a software that I use to create all my landing pages. So if you're not using ClickFunnels, it's fine. You can use other softwares, no problem. But if you want to follow along, you're going to have to use ClickFunnels. So when I'm here, I'm just going to go to my funnels, and I'm going to add a new funnel, and I'm going to create a new funnel on the classic funnel builder. Our goal isn't really listed right here, so it's fine to just say collect emails right here, and I'm going to name this tinnitus relief. The way this is going to work is they're going to click on our Facebook ad, they're going to go to a landing page, and that landing page is going to have a button on it. When they click on that button, they're going to be automatically subscribed to our chatbot list. Once they click on that, they're also going to be redirected right over to the offer page. So we really only need one page. Right now we have an opt-in and we have a thank you page. So I'm just going to delete the thank you page because we're only going to use one step. So we need to just pick a simple template. When I'm making my landing pages, I like to make them as simple and straightforward as possible. That's kind of the point of a funnel, is to just keep them centered, keep them going on one path, and that's exactly what I want to do with this. So there's a template that I like a lot. It's this one right here, the mother funnel squeeze page 14 maybe. So I'm just going to select that template, and we can customize it a little bit so that it fits our offer. So in order to do that, I'll just hit edit page. And so remember, we're not collecting emails here, we're collecting chatbot subscribers. So I'll just go ahead and delete this field right here because we don't need it. We also won't need the button. And if you have a logo for this, definitely put it right here, but I don't, so I will remove that as well. Pretty much all I want is text. The button is going to go down here, and then we'll have like a nice picture or something like that right beneath it. Ideally, to make it even more enticing for this person to sign up for our chatbot list, we would have some kind of lead magnet that we could give them in exchange for joining, but I don't have anything like that for tinnitus. So you'll still be able to get people through because they want to see the offer. And in order to see the offer, they're going to have to join the list. My point is that you can still do this without a lead magnet, but if you have one, even better. I'm going to use pretty similar copy to what I used in my ad, but another thing that I can do is I can look at the copy on the actual offer itself. So I'm going to open that up right now. Using the copy that's already on this landing page just makes a lot of sense because the advertiser has split tested the crap out of this. They know exactly what kind of words are going to convert for their audience. And this is probably written by a professional copywriter who knows exactly what they're doing. So when I'm looking at this, I want to use the same kind of language that they're using here. Not only is it good copy, but it's going to create a sense of coherence from one step to the next. So my favorite part of this is 100% natural tinnitus solution the world has been begging for. So I'm going to try and work that into my headline on the landing page. So I used that copy from the previous page and try to work it into the headline on my landing page. So I said, new to the market, 100% natural tinnitus solution. And then underneath that it just says click below to learn more, because our button will be right in this space right here. So the last thing I really just want to add is a picture. I'm going to try and look for a good picture on this sales page. So I'm just going to scroll through and see if I can find something good. As I was scrolling through, this picture right here really stood out to me. So this is pretty much the natural ingredient that is in their supplements that helps relieve some of the ringing in their ears. So this is a big hook into what makes this product unique and what actually works for this product. So if I take this image and I put it right here, people are going to look at it and they're going to be like, oh, what is this berry? What does it do? And how can it help with my tinnitus? It's going to put a question inside of their head, and in order to answer that question, they're going to have to opt into our chatbot list and then go on to read the actual sales letter. I think that'll work out really well, so I'm just going to throw that image in right now. Another thing I want to change is the background. Kind of just want it to be a plain background, not these weird mountains in the back. not these mountains that have absolutely nothing to do with tinnitus. So I'll just go over here to background, and I think that looks good. I'm just going to change the font color on this. All right, so that's looking good to me. Only thing left to do is to put the button in, and when they click on that, they're going to subscribe to our chatbot list. So in order to do that, we have to add a little bit of code to our website. Don't worry, it's super easy to do, and there's step-by-step instructions, which I will also walk you through right now. So first thing you want to do, come over to ManyChat, and you can sign up for a free account. It's free up to the first 500 subscribers, something like that, either 500 or 1500, can't really remember. But come over ManyChat.com, make your account, and what you want to do is over here where it says add new page, click on that, and then select, you'll have to connect your Facebook account, and then it'll pull all the pages that are under your Facebook account, and then you can just select one and tie it to your ManyChat account. So obviously I just attached my tinnitus relief page, and so now we will set up the button. Alright, so just come over here where it says growth tools and widgets, and we will do new growth tool, and then we'll go over under embeddable widgets, we'll go button. So this is kind of what it will look like when it's on the page. So all this looks good to me. Right, we'll go on to the next step. So over here, if you remember the way I want this funnel to be set up, when they opt into our list, I want them to also be redirected over to this page, which is the sales letter. So in order to do that, we will just check this, redirect URL. And remember, we have our tracking link from before. I'll just get that back up again, raw link, main landing page, copy this up, go back over to ManyChat, and we'll throw that right in here. So now when they opt in, they'll be redirected right over to our offer. Okay, we'll go over to next, opt-in actions. So this is going to send them a message as soon as they click that button. So not only can you do that, you can also add that person to a sequence. And we're going to be setting up a sequence later. We don't really have, I guess we'll just use this example sequence right now, but we'll also be setting up a real sequence that we can send to the people that opt into our chatbot. And the last part is actually putting the code for this button onto our website. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is click over here where it says install JavaScript snippet, and you'll have to add your website to this list. So I'll just save this. And so this is my website. So I'll just add that in right there. All right, and we'll go on to the next step. And so we just have to put this code right here, copy, and we'll put this in the head script of every page of our website. So it's really easy to do. So we'll go back to edit page, settings, tracking code, make sure you're under the header code, and we'll just paste that in right there. Save that up. All right, so now ManyChat will recognize our website, and it will be able to display this button right here. So the second step is to actually embed the widget. So we will copy this code right here, go back over to ClickFunnels, and now we have to create a new element. So for this, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to put in a text block. So open it up and say open text editor. And over here, you're going to want to open up this, which is the HTML editor. We're just going to paste in the code that we copied over from ManyChat. So it's this one right here, paste it right in here. Update, save. All right, come back over here, and we will activate and check to make sure that that is working. So now I want to see exactly what this is going to look like when someone comes over from my Facebook ad. So I'll just open this up, and as you can see, new to the market, 100% natural tinnitus solution. Click below to learn more. They click right here, send to messenger. They will be subscribed to our chatbot list, and well, first I just have to confirm that. And we are also taken straight to the landing page of the offer. So that all works great. And if you opened up your Facebook account, you would see a message come through from the page tinnitus relief. Okay, so that's all about how to set it up on your website. All of that is good to go. And we can also come back over to our ad. So this is the ad that we were creating before. And all we would have to do is just copy this, throw that right there. Now when they click on the ad, they're going to come to this page. Then they click on this, they'll go over to here, and this is the funnel that we have created for tinnitus 911. But we are not 100% done yet. We have one more step where we'll be setting up the sequence of messages that we want to send to our chatbot subscriber for the next, maybe a week. We'll send messages to them for a week and see if we can get a sale, because most likely they won't buy at first. But if they see these value posts coming from us over and over again, then at some point they may start to trust us and decide to buy from our affiliate link. So in order to set this up, we'll go over to automation and sequences. So this is the example sequence that we had set up before. As of right now, this sequence will be sent to our subscribers whenever they subscribe to our chatbot. So in order to make a new one, we'll just hit new sequence and we'll call it tinnitus. And so you can see how this kind of works. The first thing that's going to happen is wherever it says immediately. So you can change this, you can change all of this stuff. The first thing that they get sent would be this one, because this is sent immediately after they subscribe. And then after 2 days, they would get this message. After 1 hour, they would get this message. After 1 day, they would get this message. It's kind of out of order, and you'll pretty much only have to set this up once, and then you can just let it run for as long as you want. Chatbots have amazing open rates, and the fact that we're getting our chatbot subscribers from Facebook, we already know that they love Facebook and that they're on Facebook all the time. So when they see our messages, it's very likely that they're going to open them. So as long as you provide high quality content, they're going to come to enjoy those messages. They're going to look forward to getting your messages every day. And eventually, as long as you steer them in the right direction, they will start purchasing your affiliate products. So I kind of actually like the structure that they have right here. So the first thing that you want to send them is just a little introduction. Who are you? Why are you sending them messages? And you always have to tell them how they can unsubscribe if they don't want the messages anymore. Then after that, you'll send them an educational message. So this could be something about your product where you don't even mention the product, but you mention something educational, something that you want them to learn about tinnitus. Then the next day, another educational message, just like that. Then on the third day, provide a little bit more value and give a little bit of a soft sell. Mention that people are getting rid of their tinnitus with your product. And then just follow that same sequence over and over again. 2 to 3 days of value. Then on the next day, pitch a product. 2 to 3 days of value, then pitch a product. If you follow that over and over again, do it for a 14-day to a 30-day sequence, you're going to get a lot of opens, you're going to get a lot of clicks, and you're going to get a lot of sales. So that's pretty much all I got for right now. Just to go over what we learned, we first picked a product, then we created the page that we're going to advertise off of, we created the ads that we were going to run, we created the landing page that they come to after the ads, and then we created the sequence, the follow-up sequence for the chatbot, so we can send these people messages for a week, 2 weeks, or even a month. Chatbots are super powerful. They're like email marketing, except you can get way higher open rates, crazy click-through rates, and people are seeing incredible results with them. So I encourage you to give this a try if you're into affiliate marketing. This is something that's pretty new. Not a lot of people talk about it, not a lot of people do it, but it's so powerful. You can see exactly how powerful this is. So I encourage you to try it out and let me know how it goes. Of course, be sure to give this video a thumbs up because I know you liked it. Smash the subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.